introduction video for my channel. So, dito sa channel ko, you will be expecting mga beauty and makeup vlogs. You will also be expecting travel vlogs, and I will be promoting my province, Negros Oriental, and Dumaguete City, of course. And I will try my very best to also upload some informative videos. Just comment down below kung ano gusto niyo pong topic. And also, since this is going to be the first video that I will be uploading, mamimigay po ako ng giveaways. And since wala pa po akong subscribers, I will be just randomly pick subscribers, my future subscribers, kung magiging madami na po kayo. And pasensya na po sa accent ko because I'm Bisaya, so you might be wondering bakit yung Tagalog ko hindi masyado magaling. But yeah, I will try my very best also to speak Tagalog fluently na. And yeah, so I think that's it, and I encourage you to like and share, subscribe to my channel sa mga kaola ko dyan, sa mga friends ko. Mag-subscribe na kayo, and yeah, that's all. Thank you. Until my next video.